Hey guys, in this video we'll take a look at traffic time 2.0, and one of the biggest problem when it comes to promoting product as an affiliate marketer is traffic. And I know there are a lot of traffic solutions out there. There's Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, you know, but those are a really complicated, type of ads because you're gonna need to learn how to set up your campaign. You're gonna learn how to do targeting and budgeting, right? But with traffic time 2.0, guys, it's a really useful traffic tool that can really help you guys out promoting any kind of visa of offers, right? Now this is a secret underground traffic source that you can get in, and this can help you guys send daily buyer traffic to any kind of URL that you wanted to promote. Basically, guys, there's not complicated things, once you use this traffic source, because, what you're gonna be doing is actually just sending or submitting a URL into Dawood's traffic source. Now, this is a secret underground traffic source that you can get in, this will send you free daily buyer traffic to any kind of offers that you wanted to promote. All right, now before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, what you can expect when you guys purchase and invest traffic time 2.0, let me show you first my bonuses. That way you can get great result and get an additional value of your traffic time 2.0 investment. My bonus number one, guys, is I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day using free traffic. Now this is the exact method that I am using to generate $100 to $200 per day commission using only free traffic. I'm gonna reveal that in this bonus one right here. A bonus number two, guys, is I'm gonna show you my three-step process on how to make money within 24 hours. Now I have this in-depth video training showing you a three-step process on how to make money within 24 hours. Bonus number three, I'm gonna give you access to Lucid. Now this is an affiliate marketing training course, teaches you guys how to drive free traffic or paid traffic to any kind of offer. It doesn't really matter what offer is that, as long as it is piece of offers. I'm gonna show you that in this bonus right here. There's a step-by-step training that you can learn inside of this affiliate marketing course. Bonus number four, I'm gonna give you access to affiliate money machine. Now this is a guide, guys, showing you how to promote products as an affiliate marketer. Bonus number five is, now this is a one-on-one live session, guys. I'm gonna reveal to you in this one-on-one live session my secret Pinterest method to drive targeted traffic to any kind of offer or to any kind of niche. Now you can use this secret Pinterest method to drive traffic to any kind of niche. It can be weight loss, it can be dog training, it can be any kind of niche that you can think of. You can use this to promote any kind of offers, right? And then bonus number six is all vendor bonuses, and you're getting access all those bonuses inside of your traffic time 2.0 account right here. All right, so inside here, guys, Dawood is gonna welcoming you. Gonna showing you this welcome video right here, and then in the overview section right here, he's gonna show you guys the overview of this method, how this method works, how you can get traffic with this, and then this main training session section is going to show you exactly how to get free traffic, step-by-step process on how to submit your link and how to test your link. It's important that you test your link. You have this uh, uh, website or site tester right here to make sure that your link is working before you submit your link into the secret traffic source. All right, and then there's some resources right here. It is providing you some free squeeze pages or opt-in pages that you can use, and some additional free product as well. And then I show you some conclusion right here and bonuses. And if you wanted to upgrade your account, there's also some upgrades right here if you wanted to do that. All right, now you can check the upgrades in your own time. All right, but basically those are the things that you can expect right here, guys. There's not much, it's not really complicated things when you use this traffic source. You just basically submit your link, and that would we're gonna take care of everything for you. All right, so you just you just wait for the clicks and the sales to come in into your account. All right. So yeah, if you guys use my link down in the description of this video, which is the first link, this will take you to a sales page that looks something like this. And the headline says our secret underground traffic source sends daily buyer traffic to any kind of a URL. Now, as long as it is based off opportunity, now you cannot get great result if you wanted to promote like a this if you wanted to promote like health and fitness or weight loss products. Now, I suggest to use or to promote based off offers with this traffic source. So that way you can get great result. All right. And yeah, so aside from this is a really an affordable traffic source that you can get in, guys. There's also comes with 30 days money back guarantee. Now if you don't like the product, you can just refund your money. This is only $12, guys. It's not a you know expensive traffic source, guys. Because traffic is really expensive right now, especially when you're purchasing solo ads and running Facebook marketing ads, right? You're gonna test things, you're gonna, you know, do A/B testing. But with this, guys, you just basically submit your link, and it's not that risky because it's only $12, and you're protected by a 30 days money back guarantee. You can test this out, guys, and submit your link and wait for the clicks to come in and wait for the sales to comes in. Right? Watch this video right here. Have an informed decision if there's something that can really help you guys out when it comes to driving traffic to your offer, and most especially to get sales to your offer. Alright, and there are some extra bonuses right here, guys, if you wanted to pick it up. And by the way, this document right here is waiting for you inside of your Warrior Plus account after your purchase of Traffic Time 2.0. And if you have any questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And I'll see you in my next review video. Bye. Love you.